Right, back out another one. Back into Bindarri National Park again. One of the faves. Got my son with me today, Jesse, who's heading back to Sydney tomorrow. So I'm going to go for a bit of a cruisy bushwalk today. Let's see if we can find some little cascades and waterfalls. Just doing like the top section of a creek, which I haven't done before. So go see what's in there and see if we can find some cool stuff. Anyway, let's get into it. Oh yeah, what do we got this time? 3 bikes. Is that an old car seat? Here we've got a bloody, oh yeah, bit of a whippersnipper. So there's the old wait a while. Bloody plenty of this stuff in here. And these little feeler vines which come off, they are very sticky. These things get stuck to your bloody earlobes and ears, thighs, everything. Bloody everything, they'll stick to anything. And they bloody hurt if they rip your skin, so just watch out for them things. I don't know if you can see it, but just up there, it's the rainforest sloth in his natural habitat. And down he goes. How nice is all this moss? So everything's so nice and green in here. Even the water's crystal clear. Not much flow, but it's getting there. Alright, so we've just got our first little cascade down here. Starting to get a few little pools now. We're getting a bit further down, so it's only been going for probably 20 minutes. Starting to get a bit of flow now though. It's nice. It's just a really nice walk through here at the moment. Really nice. It's quiet. It's not too overgrown yet. Alright, getting a bit of a creek going now. Getting a fair bit more water running down this creek bed, so it's actually starting to resemble a bit of a creek now, which is nice. This creek should start losing elevation very shortly, so should be a few little drops and cascades coming up. Speaking of, there's a little one. Right, so let's come to this first. Nice stack of green pool. I'll scramble around this and crack on. Yeah, just follow that bank all along. So we got to this section here. It looks like there's a bit of a drop down there. It's getting a bit more interesting now. There he is, future waterfall hunter. Right, let's go see what we got down here. Little infinity pool. Way too bloody cold for swim today, mate. Give it that tip. Right, so there's the first main cascade of this creek we've come across. There's Jesse up there for size. Really bloody nice. A couple little drops, a little cascade at the top, runs down this way. And then I reckon we'll crack on down the creek a couple hundred more metres to the one I want to get to, and then climb back up out of here. Don't slip. There we go, at the top of the second little cascade for the day. Jesse's just up there somewhere, coming. Climb down this one and then get round to the next corner. I think that's the one, and then see how we go. Big old fella. Well, it's turned out being way bloody further in than I was expecting. I think we just hit the 6k mark on this creek, so a lot further than we thought we were going to have to go, but a bit of zigzagging too, so hoping should be around this next corner. We've got a pretty cool little pool over here. Yeah, wow. The creek sort of forks, and then you got this little tree run in here, and then there's the creek that joins back up over there. That's that water. Right, we're gonna have a change of plans soon because we'll be going for about 3 hours, so it's gonna be taking about 3 hours something to get back out. We might have to literally climb out a different way, a canyoners route, and then get back onto the road and trek it around. It's about a 10k mish, but still reckon it's gonna be quicker, eh? Anyway, let's get moving. So you know you're on Waper Creek. Alright, what do we got here? Probably a cool little pool on the other side of this bedrock here. Yep. Wow. Look at that. How nice is that? Change of plans. We have to take a alternate route because we're not going to have time to scoot back up this creek. It's just taking too long. We'll have to jet out the canyoners route, I reckon, and then back up to the track and then walk the road back around to where the car is. It's going to be a lot longer, but I think it's going to be a bit quicker. So, see how we go. Right, finally found the bloody one I was looking for. Right at the start of where the canyoners route in is. Alright, so I climb down, take your shots, have a look at it, chill out for a bit, and then we're really going to haul rubber up out of this canyoners track before it gets dark. It gets proper gorgy down there anyway, so that's about the top of the section where I hiked up the last time, so it's about where I wanted to be, which is good. So go down, climb down, check it out, and then we're out before it gets dark. How nice is this swimming hole down here? Now you can see down there, it's proper gorgy in there, so that's enough for the day. Alright, I'd love to stay and play, but we're going to move. We're really going to hustle. Anyway, I'll see when we get back up to the main track. Wow. Look at the size of that monster. Right, so back up on the, climb back up on the ridge in this open forest sort of stuff. So we'll just keep tracking on. We should meet on up with a bit of a single file track and then back to the forest road, then back to the main road, then back to the car. Bit of a hike, eh? Bit of a hike for the young'un. Someone didn't want to get found. Oh, bloody tent. Butane cooker. That bloody hiking bag. It's nuts, eh? Some dude is probably just living out here. Not bad. Actually not bad, eh? crack when you got to hit them with a hammer. Bit creepy though. Young fella hates me for making him walk this far. Sorry. Only 11 more k's to go, man. Alright, we're nearly back at the car, thank God. That was about bloody 16 k's today. It was a lot further than I thought we were going to have to walk, especially with the young fella with me. But anyway, wanted to do that section of the creek. It was pretty nice, so it's good to get that part ticked off. And like I said, it's always good to be out in the bush. So really appreciate everyone who's already subscribed. Can't thank you enough. Don't know where we're going next, but see you out there. There she is, thank God. How's the legs, mate? Cooked. That is not electrolytes. I don't even care.